Morning, everyone. Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 11:57 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is Saturday, November 27, 2021. This isn't financial advice, educational. Click the subscribe and the bell to be notified when the videos come out. Share the video. Click the thumbs up. We're here to talk about Nucypher and Keep. Intraday updates on the Twitter link below. Let's go straight to the market. Nucypher US dollar. We had a nice pump up to $1.30 according to this bad boy. Depending on the exchange, everyone's a little bit different, but certainly pulled back, and we were worried that we might pass through $1.08. Then ultimately down here to $1, and now we're kind of sitting between 95 and $1. So this is kind of the area of of range boundness that we could expect, unless we have another pullback down. Lower end of support around 88 cents. All right, so here's the deal: we've had 1, 2, 3 spikes. We need something to reverse us out of this downtrend here. You can't really tell until we actually start to see a trend going up. Nothing specific today will tell you that. Nothing specific tomorrow will tell you that. Trends happen through time. We're going to have to see how this thing plays out through time. So anyone that tells you they know exactly where it's going tomorrow is probably lying. In the meantime, what I can tell you is we definitely have a reasonable area of support right here at 95. So I'm expecting this to possibly be between and possibly go up. It looks good like where we're at right now. However, we have again had multiple times in the past where we've spiked. So yesterday was a good one, but it wasn't enough to continue on like the last one that we had back in October, where we can see like this huge spike in October 15th kind of kept us over here. So we're literally in a new price range here of about 75 cents all the way up to 240 on this chart. In the meantime, let's flip over to Nucypher Bitcoin. Also, same thing. A few spikes in the past. Looks like we got to get over 1899 properly in order to show that we are on a reversal on the Nucypher US dollar pair, because this will drag Nucypher US dollar up. So Nucypher Bitcoin pair currently sitting with a resistance area 1899, support at 1696. We're right in the middle of that. 1784. Flipping over to Keep pulled back, hit this resistance line that we had, 88 cents. Now we're pulling back to 78 cents, but we're up. We're at 78 cents support, 88 cents resistance. Downward area of support sitting around 70 cents. However, just remember that we just pulled up over this last night as well. So pretty good rally on Keep as well. In the meantime, over to Keep. To Bitcoin, excuse me. Keep to Bitcoin. We do have a continued rise, and look at this. This is two areas of support, and again, this is the kind of thing that will make this thing move. That we see this. I've seen it. Look, watch some of my prior videos from today, and you'll see like we've seen this happen time and time again. You get these two lines of support coming together at the same time underneath the price action, and all of a sudden, like a repelling magnet, it pushes all of that price action up. And that's exactly what we're seeing here again. So it's interesting to see that. You could see it even over here. You had these two lines of support, push, just like that. Two lines of support, push. So exactly what I'm saying here is that, two lines are better than one. And if you get two lines coming together on support underneath the price action, what I've been seeing lately is that the price action goes up. Anyway, Bitcoin US dollar has been definitely reversing out of that bearish looking downward pennant that we were looking at, and very clearly done so because we passed over 55K, and this is no longer a pennant clearly. However, we do have an area of support of 54,000, resistance around 56,000. Now, one thing that we did note yesterday was that it wasn't clear that we were going to necessarily go much more below 54, because we also had this downward trend on Bitcoin dominance. And as you can see, we do have a resistance area right now of 43, support around 42. And this thing can continue to go down easily. Look, we had a low not too long ago back in September at 40.50. That's another 2 or 3% that altcoins can gain against Bitcoin. So that's actually a pretty good sign. In the meantime, Nucypher close to $1. If we break through $1, our next area of resistance is back to $1.09, $1.08. Talk soon.